Have you ever seen a bridge so tall, it literally slices through the clouds? Or one so long you could drive across it for hours without ever reaching the end? Get ready, because what you're about to discover will completely transform the way you think about Chinese engineering. We're not talking about normal bridges anymore. We're talking about megastructures that challenge gravity, connect mountains once considered unreachable, and break world records one after another. In this video, you'll explore the 8 most unbelievable megabridges China has ever built. From massive glass walkways where you can see the abyss beneath your feet, to sky-high highways so elevated that planes actually fly below them. Number 8. The Doge Grand Bridge. We begin with a structure that will redefine everything you think is possible in bridge engineering. The Doge Grand Bridge soars 565 meters above the Baipan River, the height of a 200-story skyscraper. To put that into perspective, you could stack the Eiffel Tower twice, and you'd still have space under it. This giant connects the provinces of Guizhou and Yunnan, crossing a canyon considered completely impossible for centuries. Its construction was so extreme that engineers had to use rocket launchers just to shoot the first guide ropes across the valley. Even more mind-blowing is its strength. This steel monster supports 70,000 tons and can resist hurricane winds reaching 250 kilometers per hour without shaking. Its cables are so strong they could hold 300 fully loaded buses at the same time. The Doge Bridge proves that when human ambition meets advanced engineering, even the wildest terrain becomes conquerable. Number 7. The Pingtang Bridge. Now we level up. Literally, this bridge holds the world record for the tallest bridge tower ever built. Its main tower stands 332 meters high, taller than the Eiffel Tower and only 6 meters shorter than the Empire State. Building it required technology never used before. Special telescopic cranes that climbed upward as the structure rose, making it look like the bridge was building itself. After a $1 billion investment and 4 years of non-stop work, this masterpiece cut a 5-hour journey down to just 1 hour. Its cable-stayed design forms a perfect fan, supporting a deck 2,135 meters long, floating over what looks like an endless void. The Pingtang Bridge proves that China doesn't build simple roadways. It builds towering cathedrals of steel that rewrite engineering physics. Number 6. The Hongyagu Glass Bridge. Now it's time to test your nerves. This bridge places you 280 meters above the ground as you walk across a completely transparent glass walkway. Every single step lets you stare straight into the abyss below. At 488 meters long, it holds the world record for the longest glass bridge ever constructed. Walking across it is a mix of breathtaking scenery and pure terror, because every meter reminds you of the freefall distance beneath your feet. The glass can hold 8 kg per square meter, but your instinct still screams, don't step. And here's the twist. Some panels are programmed to simulate cracking when you walk on them, sending your adrenaline through the roof. This structure represents the future of extreme tourism, where safety and psychological thrill combine to create unforgettable experiences. Number 5. The Huangyuan Interchange. After dangling above the void, let's dive into structural complexity. The Huangyuan Interchange is officially the most complex highway interchange on Earth. Imagine 5 levels stacked vertically, 20 intertwined ramps, and 8 different directions meeting at one point. Yet, despite looking like chaos, it functions flawlessly, handling more than 100,000 vehicles per day with almost no traffic jams. Engineers spent 2 years building 3D computer models before laying a single block of concrete. Every curve, turn, and ramp was calculated with surgical precision. And thanks to a brilliant sign system, local drivers navigate it with surprising ease. This is Chinese engineering, where extreme complexity creates perfect simplicity. Number 4. The Guoliang Tunnel Road. We move from high-tech to pure human determination. This tunnel was carved entirely by hand, by just 13 villagers using hammers and chisels for 5 straight years. No machines, no engineers, just willpower. The road cuts through a vertical cliff in the Taihang Mountains, with windows carved into the rock, revealing terrifying drops hundreds of meters down. Barely 4 meters wide and full of impossibly sharp curves. This 1,200-meter road is considered one of the most dangerous and beautiful in the world. What began as a desperate attempt for survival is now a global tourist attraction visited by millions. It stands as living proof that human determination can overcome any barrier. Number 3. The Kaohsiung Bridge. Now we return to pure technical excellence. This bridge has the longest steel arch in the world, 552 meters, shaped like an enormous steel rainbow holding itself up without suspension cables. The arch weighs 46,000 tons, supporting 8 lanes of traffic above and a light trail line below. It handles over 120,000 vehicles daily, smoothly connecting both sides of the Yangtze River without blocking massive cruise ships below it at night. Thousands of LED lights transform it into a glowing spectacle that dominates Chongqing's skyline, a perfect blend of engineering and art. Number 2. The Wakao Bridge. This structure pushes height to the extreme, rising 625 meters above the canyon. It surpasses even the Doge Bridge. 2. Imagine this height, you could drop the entire CN Tower and it still wouldn't reach the ground. In 2020, it briefly held the world record as the tallest road bridge ever built, stretching 1,834 meters long. It cost 1.5 billion yuan to build. Its cables can support the weight of 500 adult African elephants at once. Every part was calculated to survive violent winds, earthquakes, and crushing gravitational forces. The best part? It reduced a 4-hour journey to just 40 minutes, transforming regional travel instantly. Number 1. The Danyan Kongshan Grand Bridge. Now for the unimaginable. This is the longest continuous structure ever built by humans, a staggering 164.8 kilometers of uninterrupted bridge. 2. Understand how insane that is. You could walk the distance from Los Angeles to San Diego and still be on the same bridge. It crosses lakes, cities, rivers, seismic zones, all without a single break. Designed for high-speed trains reaching 350 kilometers per hour, it carries millions of passengers every year. Shockingly, it was built in just 4 years. With 10,000 workers operating around the clock, it required 450,000 tons of steel, equivalent to building 55 Eiffel Towers horizontally. The Danyan Kongshan Grand Bridge proves that physical limits mean nothing when human ambition and advanced engineering unite. From cloud-touching giants to gravity-defying glass walkways, these mega-bridges show that China is not just building infrastructure, it's rewriting the rules of engineering. Tell me, which of these masterpieces impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. Hit like if these mega projects amazed you, and subscribe for more engineering wonders.